Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Mia. She lived in a small town and worked at the bakery. Every day, Mia did the same things. She woke up, went to work, and came back home. Her life was simple, and she never thought anything exciting would happen. One rainy night, everything changed. Mia finished work late, and as she was walking home, she found something strange. A dusty old book was on the street. She picked it up and opened it. On the first page, it said, "This is a map to travel through time." Mia laughed. This must be a joke, she thought. But her curiosity made her keep looking. The book had a map inside that showed a place in the town. It was marked with a big X. Mia decided to follow the map. She walked through the dark, rainy streets. Soon she reached a small park and everything around her started to change. The cars disappeared and there were old houses and people wearing old clothes. Mia was shocked. She had traveled back in time. Mia didn't know what to do. She asked an old woman, "Where am I?" The woman looked at her and said, "You are in the past. This is a different time." Mia felt confused. She knew she had to find a way back. She remembered the book. It said there was a big clock that could send her back to the present time. Mia started searching for the clock. After many days, she finally found it in the tall tower. The clock was old and big, just like in the book. Mia climbed the tower and touched the clock. Suddenly there was a bright light. Mia closed her eyes. When she opened them again, she was back in her own time. Everything was normal again. Mia walked home, and now she knew that time was very special. She learned to enjoy every moment because time can change in a blink of an eye. Mia smiled and thought maybe one day I'd find another adventure. Every story has its magic, and you just felt it. But trust me, the next one will blow your mind. Don't miss it.